Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to change your account in Stumble guys. So without further ado, let's get started. So what I want you to know is that most of the YouTubers tell you that you need to delete your account so that way you can change your account, but I will just show you how you can do it without deleting your account. So what you can do is that click on this settings option here, and as you can see there's an option called Google Play. So click on it, and what you want to do is that you need to first go to the Play Store and change your account from there, and it will then give you option. Click on this arrow here, and here it is showing the number of email account that I have attached with it. So I can just select anyone and change my account from here. So I will just select this one for example and click on continue as new player games user. So it will not delete my data and anything. So that's how you can do that. So that's it for today guys, hope you found the video helpful. See you soon, have a good day.